Can you improve that? All right, Rahul, can you hear us now?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Or fabulous. Let's start. Rahul, introduce yourself, please.
Hello, sir. My complaint name is Rahul Rajkumar Yadav, and sir, currently, sir, basically, I'm from Mumbai, and sir, but sir, my native place is Uttar Pradesh, and sir, currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Engineering in Information Technology from J.D. Street of Engineering, which is the one of leading colleges in Mumbai. And sir, currently, I have a 7.62 CGPA aggregated 6th semester, and sir, currently, I am also working as a intern in Code Speedy company as a technical writer. And sir, talking about my project, I done one of my project that is a dam automation IoT, and working on my final year project, which is a very exciting and problem solving project for my college. That is a document plagiarism detector. And sir, apart from study, I am very much involved in extra and co-curricular activities. Sir, because sir, I am elected as an event head and marketing executive for TEDx XI, and I am also selected as an event head for village event in my college fest. And sir, apart from study, I love to do cooking and learning about minds. And if talking about my family, sir, I am coming from a joint family. I am eldest son of my family, so I have a responsibility of my family. And sir, my goal is to join one of the leading company like yours, and I want to achieve organizational as well as personal goal by exploring myself more in industry. And sir, because I am a part of a Sparkling NGO, so I have one more goal in my life. I want to sponsor education for few poor children. That's all about it, sir.
Rahul, you are mentioning about the final year project. You said it's exciting and all that. Can you elaborate a little bit more on that?
Yes, sir. The project name is a document plagiarism detector. Like, sir, it is basically sir, like as we know that in colleges, colleges and school, the maximum student submitted assignments as well as practical sheet by copying some other students. So I am developing the system which helps teacher or examiner to check what is the similarity between the documents or like assignments or practical sheets as submitted by students. Which like I am using some machine learning algorithm which helps to give like basically it generate a score which gives a like similarity score between the documents. For example, how the first student document is similar to third student, 56 students, 70 students. But basically, it gives the similarity score. So using that, the teachers can calculate the particular document is copied from other student or it is right from your own.
Rahul, considering the fact that in Indian schools, most of the homework is submitted in written format, not in digital format, how will this thing work?
Yes, sir. Sir, basically, I have used an algorithm. This algorithm actually detect. First of all, we have take the picture of the particular seeds, and then the algorithm take all the words that scan and take all the words in array format and save all these words in another document. And using those documents, we check the similarity score.
And you are using machine learning in this?
Yes, sir.
Can you elaborate a little bit on what sort of algorithm you are using?
Sir, I am using a 3 algorithm. Basically, first is a KMP, Knuth Morris Pratt algorithm, and the second is a Boyce-Moore algorithm, and third is a Boyce-Moore KMPT, and Rabin-Karp algorithm. Sir, this algorithm I am using.
Rahul, with so much interest in machine learning and all that, why do you want to join TCS, considering the fact that we actually don't have openings in the field of machine learning?
Sir, basically, I'm interested in IT. Like it's not mean I'm only interested in machine learning projects because I have done in my projects in various other technologies. First of all, I have done this is machine learning, and the second project I done in using IoT, and the third project I was done using HTML and CSS. So this is not mean that I'm only interested in machine learning, sir. But if I can get chance in working in development area of machine learning, that it is good for me.
What is the reason why your percentage in graduation is less?
Actually, sir, in first 2 year, my average pointer only 6.66, and in fifth semester and sixth semester, the pointer is 9.19, and sixth semester my pointer is 9.92. So Rahul, using that pointer,
Rahul, stop. You are beautiful. You sold like shit. Now, this is something I would love you guys to learn. You know, he forced me to ask questions on his final year project. He talked about it's very exciting. But the beauty is, when he was introducing himself, he didn't go to the depth. He actually tempted me. And after that, he said many things. When my mind was saying, yeah, shit, project kiya hai, project kiya hai, project kiya hai. That is the temptation I want. When I put him in the corner, for example, when I talked about the fact that, yeah, I don't have an opening in machine learning, why should you come? Rahul, your mind works beautifully, sweetheart. He immediately said, look, that is not the only thing I'm excited about. I'm excited about technology as a whole. I've actually worked in various other technologies. And quickly he mentioned one or two work he has done. By that way, he was able to talk about the breadth of exposure that he has. Similarly, when I asked percentage, you know, one of the very common things people normally immediately come out with is impulsively talk about the fact that, sir, handwriting acha nahi hai, sir, other area. But this gentleman told me, don't measure me by what I was in the first year and second year. Look at from the fifth semester. Fifth semester, I'm a 9 quarter. Sixth semester, I've done so and so. And you are not buying me the way I was then. You're buying me the way I am now. Rahul, it was amazing. Now, the only area where I would love to see you improve is your body language a little bit, because you are avoiding eye contact. When you're thinking, you look here, you actually dance a little bit. And I believe there's a bit of disturbance that's coming from your way. Do remember, when a company comes, they would love to, hear you, because your answers were beautiful. But in case it so happened that they get distracted, either because the technology fails or the fact that the noise is there, then it might impact the effectiveness of what you were. All right. And the good thing is, when you were talking about your projects, I asked about algorithm, you were able to, recall. But I would like to see a little bit of speed in recall, because at the end of the day, you don't get so much time in the interview process. But I'm going to give you huge marks for your performance. If I had been TCS, I would have lapped you up for a simple reason, because you were very effective in communicating as to what amount of work you have done. And yes, that work is an exciting amount of work. All right. Especially the project that you're talking about, you really were able to successfully excite me in that area. I actually tried to put a googly saying that, look, what happens if it's a written thing? You said it will be scanned and converted. The fact of the matter is, today technology is there. Okay. So I am going to give you a marks for that. The only thing, Rahul, you need to be careful is there are already a lot of softwares available online for plagiarism check. So do get to know a few of those softwares which are already there in the market. No one is expecting you to be original. Everyone knows you are, after all, a student. So at least, as long as you know of the projects of similar offerings which are there in the market, maybe you can even throw one or two things on how your offering is a little better than them. Then you will, you'll frankly make me fall in love with you. So I am going to give you huge marks for it. It is a well show done. But see to it that once in a while you're smiling, sweetheart, because you don't want to position yourself as a person who is a very serious person as well. All right, but fantastic. It was a real pleasure interviewing you here. All right, let me take a question that Raghav said.